A Kodak camera that won't turn on can be frustrating. But there are several possible reasons for this issue. Firstly, the battery may have been inserted incorrectly, which is a common cause of this problem. To resolve this, simply open the cover, remove the battery, and reinsert it correctly. Another possible reason is that the power button is obstructed, causing it to malfunction. In this case, cleaning the button with a Q-tip infused with isopropyl alcohol can fix the issue. Additionally, a dead or drained battery can prevent the camera from functioning. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the problem, it may be dead and need to be replaced. If none of these solutions work, it's recommended to consult the user manual for further information or seek help from an expert to repair the camera. By trying these potential fixes, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Kodak camera up and running again.